There are two ways you can now edit the Energy Plus weather information. You've got the design day editor as a total standalone, which just sits on your desktop, or you can actually go into the Energy Plus weather database section. If you go into the design day editor on its own, you cannot download or load any weather information. It's purely for editing anything that you've already downloaded. So to edit the DDY editor, this takes you into the Energy Plus weather chooser. You can see a button in the bottom right corner, DDY editor, and then you file open, select the database of interest, and then edit the selection rule that you're looking at. So you can see in this case we've got 6 winter design days and we've got a whole load of summer design days. So if I wanted to edit the summer design day, I can select it, edit design day, and this is where I can go in and change my temperature. So if I want to design to 32 degrees, I can put all the various temperature details in. The wind speed and the barometric pressure obviously are irrelevant. It's the temperatures that you're interested in these data sets here. So that's how you effectively edit the design day. And then what you can do is edit the label. And then save it. And that means then when you come into your program and your project, when you go to the weather details, you will then see that as a label with your corrected temperatures.